Halloween, everybody! I'm Saskia from Saskia DeVries Designs, and I'm wishing you all a happy Halloween. I just wanted to talk about Halloween today because it's my favorite holiday over everything, and I think it's because you get to use your creativity and your imagination, and you get to make things. And you know, I've always been someone who makes things. I'm thinking of some of the costumes I made over the year, a Rubik's Cube in the 80s, or I was a Gobstopper box one year, which was a hit, when my friend was a killer can of tomato soup. That was an interesting combo. I just love all the ideas that come up with Halloween and all the different ideas. And jewelry making has always been a very creative outlet for me in the way that I express my creativity. But as it's become my business, it sort of has changed a little bit, and there's some obligations, and it's just a different kind of creativity when it becomes your job. So making costumes has all the free form, I can do whatever I want. However, my kids are now at an age that they tell me what they want, which puts a little snag in that game. But anyway, I just wanted to wish you all a happy Halloween, and I hope you all do something fun tonight, and I hope the ghosts don't get you. Boo!